Cheers.
Say hi to the vlog. Say something for the kids at home.
How Karumi really plays CSGO. Part 2 coming soon.
Headshot machine. Oh, we out here. Motherfucking Canary Wharf. Shout out.
Miss Farmer.
Shout out, bro. Shout out, Miss Farmer. Such a MILF, bro. Just such a MILF. Shout out, Miss Farmer. She's out in Angola now. I wish her well. I wish her well. Shout out. Who else, bro?
Rory Galvin.
So, how's that for a mackerel, Isaac, you bitch? Who else, bro? Shout someone else out. Shout an OG out.
OG. Amelia from grade 5.
Shout out Amelia.
She doesn't watch this vlog.
Low-key lesbian, but shout out Amelia.
Tate Gavin.
Shout out Tate Gavin as well. Raven was genuinely